Welcome. In this video I will show you how to correct oversaturated colors on QLED plus display of your DREAME TV. First, let's press the gear button on the remote control to open quick settings menu, then go to picture, and if you have the vivid picture mode enabled, then change it to either movie mode, which will remove the saturation, or the standard mode, or even the game mode. So the game mode will not provide you with too much color. So if you are playing a game, then the game mode would be the better decision. So either switch to standard mode, but standard mode is actually too saturated. So no, forget the standard mode. Either use movie or game if you're gaming, and do not choose energy saver. And to manually adjust the saturation, scroll down to the saturation options in this menu and just move the slider to the left to the point where you're comfortable with the color saturation on your TV. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.